Wow, it's so thick. Wow, this snow. Snow in March. It's falling so hard. The car is all white. Perfect day for Malatang. Last time, it was 12 yuan for all you can pick. Today, I'm trying this. A fancier one. Sold by weight, meat and veggies same price. First, gotta get this corn noodles. Instant noodles too, load up on carbs first. Quail eggs, potato slices, turns out meat and veggie are same price, but I don't eat much meat anyway. Lunch and meat. Enoki mushrooms, some baby cabbage. Want chili? Yes. Mild. Mild, which is spicier, mild or normal? Normal, then normal it is. Number tag, right? Wait for the call. This place used to be self-serve, 12 yuan all you can pick, but looking closely, it's really picky. It's snowing so hard today. Wow, look at this bowl, Northeast sticky Malatang, Northeast style. I asked for extra Sichuan pepper, right here. My bowl cost 19 yuan, take a look. There's white sugar, let me stir it. Wow, wow. So flavorful, delicious. Wow, so spicy, but so satisfying. Fried dough stick. Wow, their sesame paste is really generous, even more than what I'd have with Hotpot lamb. Wow, so satisfying. They used to close at noon, but I searched today, and now they're open at noon too. With business this good, closing at noon would have been a shame. Quail eggs? Little quail? But this thick Malatang isn't meant for sipping the soup, because it's so thick, basically all sesame paste. Drinking the soup would be like drinking sesame paste. And the luncheon? Meat. Alright, if you like this video, hit like. See you tomorrow. Welcome to comment below. It tastes great, you should really come try it.